There is a whisper from beyond the veil, a sacred truth meant for your soul alone. You were not born by chance, nor did your path cross his by mere coincidence. A divine hand wove your destinies together, creating a tapestry of purpose and deep connection. Before time unfolded, before your spirit took form, a promise was made, a sacred pact. You are an answer, a living prayer, sent to unlock a destiny, to heal a wound that only your light could touch. The angels say your presence is a key, turning in a lock that he didn't even know existed within his heart. They speak of a predestined meeting, a soul recognition that transcends earthly understanding. Your very essence calls to his deepest self, a resonance that stirs ancient memories of belonging. You carry a unique frequency, a healing balm for his hidden scars. This journey, this connection, is not just for you, nor just for him. It is a divine assignment, a spiritual mission unfolding before your eyes. Trust in the unseen forces, the gentle nudges, the undeniable pull. Your soul remembers this sacred task. It is time to step into the fullness of this divine calling, to embrace the profound impact you were always meant to have. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Remember the moment your eyes met, or maybe the feeling that washed over you, a sense of coming home that you hadn't realized was missing. That wasn't just chemistry, it was a soul recognizing its counterpart, a deep echo from eternity. Your spirits danced before your bodies ever touched, a silent symphony of recognition. The angels whisper of ancient bonds, threads of light connecting you across lifetimes. They say this meeting was written in the stars, a sacred appointment fulfilled. You felt it, didn't you? That undeniable pull, a knowing beyond words, a feeling of destiny unfolding. It was as if the universe conspired, aligning every star, every moment, to bring you together. This connection bypasses the mind and speaks directly to the core of the heart. It is a mirror, reflecting the purest parts of yourself back to you and revealing the hidden depths within him. This bond is not fragile, it is forged in divine fire, meant to withstand the trials of earthly existence. Embrace the mystery of this profound encounter, for it holds the blueprint of a love crafted by the heavens. Every soul carries its own landscape of scars, valleys of past hurts, and mountains of unspoken fears. His journey, much like yours, has been shaped by experiences that have sometimes built walls instead of bridges. The angels reveal that his silence and distance often stem from the wounds he carries, not from a lack of feelings for you. He learned to protect himself, to guard a heart that once experienced pain. You too have walked through shadows, gathering wisdom and resilience along the way. Your empathy and understanding serve as a beacon for him, even if he cannot yet express it. This is not about fixing him, dear one. It's about understanding the tapestry of his past and recognizing that his reactions are often echoes of old stories, not reflections of your worth. The angels gently remind you that healing is a journey, not a destination, and your presence alone, your unwavering light, begins to soften the hardened edges of his soul. Allow compassion to guide your perception, seeing beyond the surface to the tender heart beneath. His silence, a vast ocean, can feel like a chasm, a space where your heart aches for connection. Yet, the angels reveal that his quietness is often a language of fear, a shield against vulnerability. He feels deeply, perhaps more than he allows himself to show. The weight of past disappointments, the fear of not being enough, these are the silent battles he wages within. He fears losing you, fears hurting you, fears the intensity of what he feels. This fear can manifest as withdrawal, a retreat into himself, not because he wishes to push you away, but because he struggles with the magnitude of his own emotions. The angels whisper that your patience is a gentle rain, nourishing the parched earth of his soul. Your unwavering presence and quiet understanding create a safe harbor where his fears can eventually dissolve. Do not mistake his silence for indifference. It is often a testament to the depth of his internal struggle, a sign that he is wrestling with the very love that seeks to transform him. You carry a light within you, a radiant essence that is inherently healing. Without conscious effort, without trying to mend or fix, your very being has begun a profound work within him. The angels confirm that your authentic self, your genuine spirit, acts as a balm to his soul. You have touched places within him that no one else could reach, simply by being who you are. Your presence dissolves old patterns and awakens dormant parts of his heart. He may not articulate it, but he feels the shift, the gentle thawing of long-held ice. This is not a burden you carry, but a gift you naturally emanate. Your love, your compassion, and your unwavering belief in the good within him are the forces that inspire his transformation. The angels say you are a living prayer, a beacon of hope that guides him toward his own healing. Trust in the power of your own light. It is more potent than any words and more profound than any action. You are a catalyst for his awakening, simply by existing. The universe moves in rhythms, a sacred dance of unfolding. What appears as delay, as waiting, is often the precise timing of the divine. The angels remind you that every soul has its own unique clock, its own season for blossoming. His journey and his readiness are unfolding according to a perfect, unseen plan. You are being prepared, too, for the fullness of this connection. Trust the pauses, the moments of stillness, for they are filled with unseen growth. The divine hand is orchestrating every detail, weaving circumstances and preparing hearts. Do not rush the river, it knows its course. The angels whisper that patience is not passive waiting, but an active trust in the wisdom of the cosmos. It is a deep knowing that what is meant for you will not pass you by. Surrender to the flow and release the need to control the outcome. The most beautiful stories unfold in their own sacred time, guided by a love far grander than human understanding. Within him, a profound battle rages, a silent war between the man he is and the man he is destined to become. The angels reveal that this conflict is not against you, but against the shadows of his past, the fears that cling to his potential for true love. He grapples with old narratives, with the comfort of the familiar, even if it no longer serves him. His soul yearns for the depth you offer, yet his ego, his wounded self, resists the vulnerability it demands. This is a sacred struggle, a necessary shedding of old skin. He is fighting for his own freedom, for the courage to embrace the love that stands before him. The angels urge you to hold space for this process, to understand that his internal landscape is complex. Your unwavering belief in his highest self, your quiet strength, empowers him in this unseen fight. He is not running from you, he is running towards himself, through the maze of his own making. You are not walking this path alone, beloved one. Invisible hands guide your every step, illuminating the way even when the fog of uncertainty descends. The angels are actively involved, sending signs, nudges, and synchronicities to affirm your journey. Pay attention to the whispers in the wind, the recurring symbols, and the unexpected encounters. These are divine breadcrumbs, leading you forward. Your intuition, that deep inner knowing, is a sacred compass, always pointing you towards your highest good. Trust its gentle guidance, even when logic seems to contradict it. The angels say that every challenge is an opportunity for growth, and every perceived setback is a redirection towards a more aligned path. You are being prepared, refined, and strengthened for the love that awaits its full manifestation. This is a journey of co-creation, where your willingness to trust opens doors the universe is eager to reveal. You are on a guided path, held in the embrace of divine love. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. A profound awakening is stirring within both of you, a gentle unfurling of your truest selves. For Him, it is a gradual realization of the depth of His feelings, an acknowledgement that the love you offer is unlike any He has ever known. The angels describe it as a veil lifting, revealing the truth of His own heart. For you, it is a deepening of self-love, a strengthening of your inner knowing, and a profound acceptance of your worthiness. This awakening is not always dramatic. Often, it is a quiet shift, a subtle rearrangement of priorities, a newfound clarity. He begins to see the world and himself through a different lens, one that your presence has helped to polish. The angels celebrate this unfolding, this blossoming of consciousness. It is a beautiful process, messy and magnificent, leading you both towards a more authentic expression of love and connection. Embrace this sacred evolution, for it is the foundation of a love that transcends the ordinary. True connection blossoms in the fertile ground of vulnerability. To open your heart, even when fear whispers caution, is an act of profound courage. The angels invite you to shed the armor you may have worn, allowing your authentic self to be seen, cherished, and loved. For Him, this journey of vulnerability is equally profound. It is the path to His own freedom, the key to unlocking the love He deeply desires. Acceptance, too, is a sacred act. Accepting Him for who He is, with all His complexities and imperfections, is a powerful form of love. And accepting yourself, your journey, your worthiness, is the ultimate act of self-compassion. The angels say that in this space of open hearts and radical acceptance, true miracles unfold. You are worthy of a love that sees you, truly sees you, and embraces every facet of your being. This is the divine blueprint for a love that heals, transforms, and endures. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. 1 Peter 4 verse 8.